Hola! Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Madam Chrissy at John Vlogs. How's everyone? Another day, another sterling pounds. Well, in today's journey, we're going to Manchester, Piccadilly. Yes, and Manchester is one of the most beautiful city, industrialized city in England, and I'll see you there. Hola! 4 degrees pa rin. So malamig pa rin dito sa Coventry. At nakita nyo, nandito ako sa loob ng customer lounge. As you can see, bongga siya. Talagang press to open ha. Magbubukas yung ano. Yan, o diba? Labas tayo. Yan. So, makikita nyo, pag nilalamig kayo, malamig talaga. Pero pag gusto niya na hindi masyadong malamig, pasok tayo dito sa ating lounge. Diba? So, in 10 minutes, malapit na yung ating train. O diba? Yan, dyan manggagaling. So, bonggang-bongga. Ayan, habang post tayo ng post. O diba? Ayan, o diba? Pag hindi ginaw kayo, press lang to. O, diba? O-open na yan. Open sesame. At papasok tayo sa loob. Diba? Ayan. Nandito tayo at talagang may heating siya. O, diba? Bongga ang heating. Ayan. Ayan ang heating. So, talagang mainit. So, masarap ditong maupo habang naghihintay ng train. At syempre, excited para makapunta sa Manchester. I never been there. And ano ba yung mga motivations ko why I would like to go to Manchester? Unang-una, syempre, I never been there. I want to visit the place and the cultural heritage, especially nandun makita yung prosperity ng Manchester. Number 2, alam naman natin, #canal, yun ay isa sa mga LGBTQ-friendly place. At number 3, syempre, idol natin, si David Beckham na naglaro ng football sa Manchester United. O di ba? Bonggang-bongga! That is Abante West Coast train, but we are waiting for Crossroad train going to Manchester, Piccadilly. And of course, I'm so excited. It's a little bit delayed, and it's here now. Come on, we're gonna ride. Kaolas! Delayed ang train, pero spoiled pa rin tayo. Nakakaloka, o diba? Voice pa rin sa loob ng train, and talagang ang ating wishlist na makarating sa Manchester ay mangyayari na ngayon. So I hope everything is fine. Ayun yung luggage ko sa taas. Yan, enjoy natin ang view. Yan, ang ganda rin ng mga view, di ba? Yan yung makikita. Yan.
A few moments later.
Mga kaolas, I'm now here in Manchester, Piccadilly.
Wow!
Yeah. So, very excited. It's my first time here. And of course, magta-taxi na tayo. Yes, magta-taxi na tayo. Ayoko maglakad. O, diba? Diba? bongga! We're here now in the taxi. Mga kaolas, nandito na tayo sa Holiday Inn Express. So, mag-room tour na tayo, di ba? Yan, nandito tayo sa 5th floor. At syempre, hawak na natin ang ating card. Try natin dito. Yun, di ba? Go, go, go tayo. Ayan, welcome to my room. At syempre, mag-room tour na tayo, di ba? Pagpasok natin, ito agad ang bubungan, 'di ba? Ayan, effect siya. So, makikita natin 'yan. Let's go to the toilet. Ayan ang toilet niya. Effect. Ayun, may tissue. May emergency. 'Di ba? Just in case, call bell. Ayun, dab ang kanyang hand wash, bonggang-bongga. May small lavatory. Winner, 'di ba? Wide naman siya at talaga namang malambot ito, oh. However, wala siyang duvet or shall we say bidet. At pwede kang maupo sa shower. Bongga ang kanyang shower. Ayan. Bongga, 'di ba? Ayan. So, ayan yung mga amenities. Talagang yung shower ay bongga, oh. Talagang effect. Parang may naligo pa kanina. Ayan, may drainage. Ito, we need to cover ng shower curtain. At dito naman, ayun, may fresh towel dyan, may pa-towel. At dito ang ganda, o diba? Pwedeng umiksena, o diba? Ayan, meron din siyang for disposable glass. Ayan, bongga ha. Talagang job. Oh, bongga. Pag may sarili kang shampoo, pwede mong ilagay doon. Ayan, bongga. So, meron pa rito, pwede magpa-selfie dito. Diba? Nakakaloka, okay to, no? Turn around. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, may blower. Ba't kaya nandito yung blower? Oo. Tapos, ayan, may curtain. May mga pwede nating ihang yung open space siya. Pwede nating ihang yung ating mga damit. Ayan, yung ating leather jacket na bonggang-bongga ay talaga namang hinang ko na. Yun, pwede rin maglagay doon sa taas. Ayan, nilagay ko ng aking ayan, diba? Yung ating shawl. Ayan. Malaki yung space in fairness. So, pwede kong ilagay dito yung aking bag. Tapos, dito, ayan, meron siyang for coffee tea. Ayan, meron siyang Nescafe Decaf. Bongga. Meron siyang Nescafe Original Tea. There. Ayan, oo. Ayun. Tapos, merong pwedeng mag-ano dito. Ano siya, pwede magpainit ng tubig. So, later, bibili tayo ng mineral water. Ayan, ayan yung table niya, maganda. Gusto ko yung table. Pwedeng kumain dyan. Di ba? Wide. Yung space niya, okay, wide na wide. At may tally siya about 18 inches, di ba? Ayan. So, ang laki ng space for me. Di ba? Ayan. Meron siyang connecting room. Diba? Tapos, sa labas, gusto ko yung curtain niya. As you can see, Di ba? Pwede siyang mag-wide. Maganda talaga ang blue, no? Pwede siyang mag-wide. Yung black curtain, pwedeng, tignan nyo, iba yung effect pag medyo madilim. Di ba? Ganda nung effect. Yung aircon pala niya, oh, yung ventilation niya, may aircon doon. Tapos pag gusto mo ng mainit, may heating. Ayan, yung heater. Portable siya. Ayan. Ito yung balance, di ba? Yung ginagawa natin. Balance ang lampshades at saka tables. Same size ng furniture. Meron siyang emergency phone. Pwede natin gamitin yan. At ayan, di ba? So, buksan natin to. Pakikita natin yung natural light. At maganda tong curtain nila, ha. Ito yung labas natin. Ayan. Ayun. Doon, o, diba? Ayan. For the next 4 days, dito tayo titira. Ayan. Ang bed. Talagang miter the corner of the bed. So, I love that. White, ha? O. Malinis. At higit sa lahat, bongga. Diba? 4 ang ating pillow. Malinis siya, ha? Walang mga buhok-buhok. O, diba, bongga? Ayan. So, ito ang ating kama. At it looks malambot, ha? Sa unan pa lang, malambot na. Mga kaola, yan. Ititest natin kung malambot nga ba. Okay, samahan niyo ako ngayon. Ay! Malambot nga. Malambot nga. Bonggang-bongga. O, diba? O, gusto ko siya. Oo, diba? Sa ating pagro-room tour, pasok sa mga bongga talaga pag Holiday Inn. First time ko mag-Holiday Inn, ha, sa totoo lang. Kaya gusto ko siya. At yung pala, meron pa ditong smart stay. Yung guide daw sa hotel. At ito, mapapakinabangan natin yan kasi may mga map siya. And of course, meron tayong mga towel. Ayan. So, bonggang-bongga. Ayan. Ayan ang ating plan ng luwan. Ayun. So, samahan niyo ako sa vlog na to. Next floor, Manchester. Diba maraming first tayong gagawin ngayon.
A few moments later.
Ayan, nandito na ako sa St. Peter's Square. St. Peter's Square. St. Peter's Square. Kung saan nandyan ang mga tram. Parating na ang tram. Okay. And here naman, diba? Sino kaya siya? Diba? Oh. Diba? Siya daw si Emma Pankhurst. Hindi. Emmeline Pankhurst Street. Yan, parang may sinasabi siya. O, diba? Bongga. At nandun yung Motel 1. At pag diniretso mo yan, dito sa Hologist na restaurant, yun na yung Tops. Diba? Talagang ang sarap ng Tops. We're here in Tops Restaurant. That's pork siomai. We have crispy seaweed. And this one is crunchy. It's fried. Chinese for our appetizer. Let's eat it. The first time here in Tops Buffet Restaurant here in Manchester. The shrimp. course, noodles. Oh, the shrimp is nice. Kain tayo. Ciao. Let's eat. Let's try this pork. I love the cheese pizza. Wow, with mozzarella cheese. I love their homemade pizza. Well, very tasty. And of course, let's go to Chinese. This is what you call sweet and sour strips. And you can see vegetable samosa, Indian delicacy. They mix it together. And of course, we could feel and eat this, wow, crispy seaweeds. And of course, plain rice. On this side, it's a soup. Yes, it's like corn soup. And that one is my favorite. Yes, the one that you just saw. Yes, this one is the lamb crispy bites. Wow, I love this. I love lamb chops. And of course, sweet and sour chicken. Going to the next buffet area is fried rice. And of course, vegetable curry. And of course, chicken korma. Nandiyan, ano kaya sinasabi ni Emeline? Frankhurst, o diba? At sino kaya siya? Yan ang ating background. Diba?
Okay.
Ayan, dito na tayo sa St. Peter's Square sa Manchester. Na bonggang-bongga. Diba? Arndale Shopping Center.
Do you read that? No, no, it's written. Being there to read.
Arndale, Manchester. I'm here now. We've got there plenty of trams all around. Selfridges. Then you can see the Premier Inn there. Coffee Club. IMAX over there. Hard Rock Cafe. Next. Very popular. Welcome to Chinatown, Manchester. That's the Arc here. There's some pagoda there. China buffet. That's you're going to enter down there. The China buffet. It's mostly restaurants. There's a pagoda there. At syempre, nandito tayo sa labas para tingnan natin ang eksena paggabi dito sa Manchester. We've been to the Chinatown. Loads of restaurants and massage parlors. Yes, as you can see, full of lights. Ito on yung arch. So far, so good. more on lakad lang dito, no? Nakakaloka. At dito sa tapat ko yung Haiti, ang daming taong nakapila. At saka buhay na buhay yung nightlife. Manchester, very busy area, especially the nightclubs. Yeah, and of course, it's Saturday. So, bonggang-bongga, maliwanag. At saka talaga yung mga tao, lumalabas sila ngayon and they enjoy the night. Diba? Ayan, so far, nag-enjoy ako. So, fresh from pahinga. O, diba? Habang nanonood ng movie, pahinga ng konti at lumabas tayo. UK time, it's around 9 p.m. this evening. At sana makita natin ang Gay Village. Diba? Samahan nyo ako, rarampa tayo doon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Gay District in Manchester. Kaya pala siya tinawag na canal, o diba? Tabi siya ng canal. And I'm here in New Union Hotel Bar and GAY Gay Bar. Very nice. O diba? Hindi ko lang pwedeng i-focus yung iba kasi nga, syempre, for the privacy. Pero bongga, ayun, sayawan. O diba? At saka maraming mga talagang nakatingin. O diba? Bongga din naman ang ang bar. Ayan. So tabi tayo ng kanal. At habang lumalagaslas ang tubig, pwede kang sumayaw. Enjoy. O diba? It's my first time here in Manchester. So, ayan. Diba? Ayan ang eksena. Ayan. Ito pala yung mga bar doon. Hey. Hello. She's so pretty. Look at her dress. My first time in Manchester. Wow. Nice to see you. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you. Take care. Mwah. Good night. Here now in Sackville Garden. Bongga. O, diba? Very peaceful. So, after mo mag-bar, after sightseeing sa canal, very peaceful tong garden na to, no? Ayan. So, welcome to Sackville Gardens. Ayan. Nakikita mo dyan. So, bongga, diba? Sabi, the land for Sackville Garden was purchased by Manchester Corporation in the 1880s at a cost of £25,525. The land was purchased so that there would be an uninterrupted view of what was originally the Manchester School of Technology. O bongga, diba? Bongga. I enjoy here. O diba? Hola! Good morning! Literally, morning time. Good morning. At nandito tayo sa bathroom ng hotel dito sa Holiday Inn. Diba? Siyempre, we started the morning right. Nag-prayer tayo. Thank you, Lord. Diba? For this beautiful day. Ayan. Another day of here, vacation. So, this is our second day here in Manchester. So, yesterday, hindi ko na kayo masyadong naisama sa aking pag-walk-walk because there are things na I need to, not to show, kasi for adults na, at saka medyo, di ba, mahaba yung nilakad ko kasi hinahanap ko yung spa, o di ba, yung, ang tawag ng basement. Nakarating naman ako, kaya lang, kailangan ng passport. O, diba? At saka, very strict na ngayon, ha? Kailangan mo ng photo, passport, kailangan talaga nandun yung birthday. Eh, hindi ko dinala yung passport ko. Ayun. So, hindi tayo nakapag-sauna bath at nakapag-spa last night. But it's okay. At least nakapag-walking naman ako. And then, yun, mga 12 midnight, nakarating na rin ako dito sa hotel. Nagpahinga na. O, diba? Nag-lotion and potion. At ngayon naman, mag-breakfast tayo. So, ayan, sama ko kayo. Join me at tignan natin para sa ating, di ba, first time na ma-realize kung gaano masarap, kung masarap ba talaga. Tignan natin. Oo. Di ba? So, ang outfit natin ngayon for breakfast only. Ayan, eto. Dito lang to. Itong ating Dubai shirt. Diba? At, diba, hindi natin alam yung eksena sa labas. mag-ano tayo. Oo, dinala natin yan. Sabi nga ng aking BFF na si Kitty Cat TV, protektahan ang aking lieg. Kaya ayan, dapat. Ayoko nang ma-experience yun sa Hong Kong na hindi ko nilalagyan yung leeg ko, di ba? Malamig pa rin kasi, di ba? So, see you around! Starting with the fruits. Jam, strawberry jam, ashwood, hazelnuts, red, orange. To start with the bread. We can toast our bread here.
There's more beans coming out in a second.
More beef?
There's more coming out.
Bacons. Eggs. And beans coming out. Lovely. We have our tomatoes. Very nice floured bulb. Croissant. Chocolate napkins. Very clean utensils with dishes. Nice with cereals. We have muesli. And of course the milk is nice. We have coffee, cappuccino. Very nice. We have coffee machine here as well. And juice dispenser. We have orange, apple, water, and cranberry. What is nice? Very nice. There's another bread station there. Puff cake. Change puff cake. Very nice. You can have pancakes here. For our breakfast today, yeah, we have our bacon, baked beans, tomato. We have our cappuccino coffee and kombucha fruits. Let's eat. Let's eat. Kaolas, I'm here now in the tram. It's my first time to ride the tram, Metrolink here in Manchester. And of course, there's a lot of tourists, excursionists, and we're going to Salford Quays. Well, it just go around the city center, and I'm a bit excited to see Salford Quays in Media City. Ayan, we use the tram to be able to come here at Media City, UK. And I'm going to find the Manchester River Cruise. And then looking at that University of Salford. Yes. And then ITV Manchester. Ayan, what a beautiful garden. That's the tram station. Very nice. They call this Blue Peter Garden. Very nice. There's a big telly there. It's a nice park. Very quiet today. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Salford Quays. Ayan, ang dami nagja-jogging. At bongga. Ayan yung bridge, 'di ba? Bonggang bongga. Okay. 'Di ba? At meron siyang mall. Yeah. Ayan siya. Medyo ano ngayon, hindi maaraw, no? Parang maganda yata pag may araw. Ayan, nakikita ko na yung boat doon. Meron ding Holiday Inn doon, no? Bongga. Yan. Holiday Inn doon. Yan, malinis naman yung tubig. Ayan. Mga ka-olas, ayan. Nakaano na tayo talaga. Medyo maginaw ngayon, no? In fairness. So, titignan natin kung papayagan tayo na makapag-cruise ng 11:30 kasi 12:45 pa. Sayang naman yung oras. Maaga akong dumating. At mamaya, lakad-lakad na lang tayo sa mall. May next siya. Bonggang bongga. Ayan, try natin. Hopefully, mapagbigyan tayo. Thank you. Mga ka-olas, ayan. Nakaano na tayo talaga. Medyo maginaw ngayon, no? In fairness. So, titignan natin kung papayagan tayo na makapag-cruise ng 11:30 kasi 12:45 pa. Sayang naman yung oras. Maaga akong dumating. At mamaya, lakad-lakad na lang tayo sa mall. May next siya. Bonggang bongga. Ayan, try natin. Hopefully, mapagbigyan tayo. Thank you. Wow, we're allowed to ride the early boat up 11. So thank you, Lord. We're here and we're enjoying the boat. It's our first time in river cruise. Yes, everyone's excited. Puno na siya. So we're about to go. So it's like a yaka.
Life jackets will be provided in case of an emergency. There are exits at the front and rear of the vessel and 2 exit points on either side. Toilets are located at the back. Smoking and vaping are not permitted at any time during your tour. Please refrain from using your mobile phones during your cruise. While you are free to talk amongst yourselves, please show consideration for other passengers who are listening to the commentary. You are joining us at Salford Quays, formerly known as the Manchester Docks, even though it's actually in Salford. The building to the right of us is the Lowry Theatre and Art Gallery, a key part of the regeneration of this former dockland. It was opened in 2000 by Queen Elizabeth II. The theatre was designed to reflect the maritime nature of its surroundings, appearing like a ship blending into the skyline across the water. It's been described as Salford's not quite Guggenheim due to its similarities to the famous Spanish Museum. It is named after 20th century painter L.S. Lowry, famous for his matchstick style paintings of industrial scenes in the northwest of England. It was created by Tony Warren, who based the show off life in inner city Salford, a neighbourhood of tightly packed streets, close-knit families and everyday drama. The fictional street was inspired by real places and people just a few miles from where you are now.
Hello! Yes! What a little trip to this Manchester River Cruise. And as you can see, on the walls, you can see graffiti arts wherein these artists make a drawings. It's like a vandalism. However, it looks artsy. Yes, you can see a casino there. We can view that there's some arts written on the walls, and we're now passing through the bridge. Well, it's lovely to be here together with other tourists in the boat, and we can feel the culture and traditions of industrial city Manchester. And yes, I'm on my own here in the little boat, but it's lovely. You couldn't even feel that it's moving. I love it, and I hope you enjoy with this cruise. I wore my shades because it's a little bit sunny now, thank God.
Front buildings in this part of the city. Work linking Manchester and Salford. It connects the city's two major stations, Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Victoria, for the first time in history. This is the first network arch bridge to be built in the UK, and the first asymmetric one of its kind anywhere in the world. Despite its rusty appearance, it's also the newest bridge across the Irwell. Just ahead is Stevenson's Bridge, a Grade 2 listed stone bridge dating back to 1830. It formed part of the world's first passenger railway line. Waterfront buildings in this part of the city.
Almost 1 hour, the cruise, and it's about to end, and we're going back to Salford Quays Shopping Center. So I'm thrilled because it's very nice, full of shopping complexes and brand names, and it's also a factory outlet of Next, Marks and Spencer, Revolution, makeup, beauty products, and other clothes. So it's nice to hop around and see the beauty of this shopping complex. It is very rewarding to feel the fresh air in Manchester, and I love the view. City River Cruise, amazing. That's it. It's a queue now. Very nice. So you can stay there. I stayed at the bottom, and then you can go upstairs later if you want. It's worth it. Very nice. Ayun mga kaola, o diba, I opted to stay dun sa baba lang niya kasi dun sa taas malamig. Ayan. So ngayon I'm free. O diba? Maraming salamat sa River Cruise. It's worth it. 12 pounds yung bayad. So not too bad. So i-convert nyo na lang sa pesos. So 12 times 74 pesos. Affordable naman siya. Tapos you can order cup of coffee, tea, Aperol Spritz, soft drinks, and any chips. Meron din silang yung mga cracklings ganyan. Pwedeng umorder doon. O diba? At mga different kinds of beers. So nag-enjoy ako sa cruise. Very informative. Ang mga natutunan ko marami ha. Yung Colgate Palmolive pala ay American brand. Talagang way back since then nag-invest na sila dito sa Manchester para sa factory. Tapos para mabuhay yung aquamarine, they made sure na nagpo-produce sila ng more oxygen sa dagat, sa water. At that's what you call Millennium Bridge. The bridge that you can see, it's Millennium Bridge. So, well, worth it. So, ayun. So, sa mga naganap sa aking pagta-travel dito sa Manchester, so from Coventry, going here, na-delayed man ako ng 35 minutes kahapon sa biyahe ko. It's okay. 'Di ba? Kahit na-delay, no worries. Kasi yung hotel ko naman na Holiday Inn, walking distance lang siya. 'Di ba? Walking distance. At bukod sa walking distance lang sa lahat-lahat, nakapag-gay bar tayo, yung canal. Tapos, actually, hindi ko lang napakita dito. Nagpunta rin ako ng Manchester Cathedral. Yung sa Millennium. Hindi ko na video. Oo, hindi na ako pumasok sa loob. Tapos, yung Manchester Art Gallery. Siguro, gagawa natin yan ng vlog at bibisitahin natin yan. So, 4 days ako dito sa Manchester. So, maraming pwedeng gawin. So far, haba na ng vlog natin ha. So, ang pinaka na-enjoy ko so far ay yung pagsha-shopping dito. May Uniqlo. Ayun. Ayan, titignan natin at saka titingin tayo ng mga pasalubong. So sa lahat na nagstay up to here, huwag kalimutang mag-like, diba? Mag-subscribe sa aking channel. This is your Madam Chrissy na nagsasabing, kung gustong mo maging maligaya, tune in na kay Madam C. Thank you so much!